Hello guys, hello King's First family, welcome back to my channel. What's up, how are you guys doing? Wow, today I'm super excited. Yeah, I'm super excited. I want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. Yes, to all my subscribers. If you're my subscriber, please, I don't know how to start thanking you guys, but you guys are good. I'm happy. Yes, I hit 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, it's have not been easy, but I know without you guys, I'll not be here. Um, you know, we YouTubers, we're always super excited when we get that subscribers, we get views. Yes, I know the talking about the money and everything is not actually the main thing, but those when you post a video, you have people watch your videos, people react to your videos, people like the video or share. It encourages YouTubers to do more. That's why you see us, begging, subscribe, like, share, all these comments. It's very important because it also help YouTube to, this maybe YouTube always use this to check some videos that are helpful, because you have a lot of video on YouTube, both videos that are crap that have nothing to offer to people or to the audience, and videos that are super informative. So how YouTube get to know this video or valuable video on YouTube is by the comments, reactions, the likes, the views, the shares, and everything. So that's why I always beg, if you like my videos, if you love what I'm doing, please always leave a comment after watching my video. Always hit the like button. It's not stressful, okay? I can even help you to hit the like button. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. If you love anything about financial markets, if you like trading the forex markets, you love strategies, killer strategies, if you love winning strategies and profitable strategies, both on indices and currency pairs, please subscribe to this channel. Please, I beg you, subscribe to this channel. I also want to use this medium to also invite you to my Telegram group. If you are not there, you can join the group. Click by clicking on the link in the description of this video to join. Here I'm showing you something today. I'm going to be giving you one of my VIP strategy. Yeah, 1,000 subscribers giveaway. Yes, that's why I'm bringing this. How you can, using this strategy, it will help you catch spikes without wasting much of your time. I, got a lot of messages from subscribers, friends, and people who watch my videos. They have been, giving the credit. You have been trying. I love your videos. In the process, you also have some people who complain that sometimes when they enter to catch spikes using my some of my strategies, it might take time before the spike comes. Sometimes they even close in loss instead of before the spike, actually maybe they after closing they will now see the spike and all those stuff. So I finally figured out one of the strategies you might use, which is this particular strategy that will help you, catch this spike on time without wasting much of your time, or have to wait for 5 6 7 8 candlesticks to come. Now, some of the problem is that some of us don't follow instruction. We just check, we are not actually sure, we just enter the market, we just enter a buy or sell. So look at what is happening here. I'm going to be showing you my setup, so you have to stick around. I'm going to show you how I set up these indicators. Now if you look at this place right now, okay, you see that the black line and the what is this color, brown, they are both of them are touching level 10, right? But I hope you did not see me place anything. I did not place a buy because I'm waiting to catch spike, right? If you discover it have been, before even I start this video, both of them were touching level 10 before I even start the video, okay? But I didn't place any buy because of something. So sometimes when you hear once it touch over sold region, which is level 10, you buy, or if you touch over bought region, which is 90, you sell, and you just go there. Once it touch, you sell, and you'll be, the candlestick keep coming and the spike did not come. You feel like, this is wrong strategy, this strategy is not working. No, it's working. The strategy is working, but you need to understand some certain things. There are manipulations and the strategy can be winning all the time, but see the problem here. Once it touched, try to shift your screen, try to shift this page, shift this like this. Okay, if you try to shift this page or this charts, okay, you discover that the black line follows the charts. As the chart moves, the black line will leave that level 10. Okay, just see what happened here. You see where that black line is currently. So the black line is not actually touching level 10. That is manipulation. Okay, you need to understand when the black line is actually touching that level. That is when you will enter, when the black line and the brown line sticks. When I say sticks, I mean it sticks. No matter where you shift this chart, it won't move. It will stick to that level 10. That is when you will place a buy. When you're on boom. If you're on crash, if the black line and the brown line touch level 90, you have to shift your chart to make sure that they stick. Once they stick, then you place your sell. Okay, so that's one of the problems we encounter. Some people just go, because the two lines currently, if you look at the line, both of them are touching level 10. Okay, they will go and place a buy, and they will be waiting. The spike will not come, right? So let me go to another chart. Let's see what is happening. Nothing much here. Let's check boom 1000, and here nothing much is happening. Let's move to crash 500. So I've already crashed. So the important thing is that you must wait for these conditions to be met. You need to wait for the charts, the black and the brown, to be touching. You need to allow them touch level 10 for a buy on boom. You need to wait for it to happen. Okay, you need to wait for it to happen before, and you must make sure that they stick to that level. As you move your charts, they stick, they don't move. So I want us to focus on this boom 1000 right now. Let's see, as I show you, as I backtest to show you, I want us to also trade live for us to see if this thing actually works or not. So I want to wait and see this line come down to this point, and I want to see it sticks to that level 10. Then we place our buy, and we now watch and see how long it will take for the spike to come. Okay, so I want us to always practicalize this thing live. I want us to trade it live so that you will see how these things work. Okay, so but for now, let's see, let's backtest and see. Okay, let's see. You see here, watch what happened here. They are touching, right? But we are not entering the trade. The reason being that even though the spike came, but we are not entering. The reason is that when you shift, the line shifts. Okay, but look at this place. The same thing here. Look at here. Okay, pay attention, guys. I've created a video like this before, but it's not on catching a spike. If you look at that point, as we are shifting, the line sticks to level 10. Both lines sticks to level 10, and that's why you have this spike. Okay, you must wait to see a clear opportunity to enter. You don't need to rush in that. You have a lot of trade. You know, this thing keep happening. You trade indices like boom and crash 24/7. That is 7 days in a week, 24 hours a day. So you don't need to rush. You just need to wait for your opportunity, unless you like losing money or blowing your account. So if you look at here, see what played out there. You discover two of them hit level 10 and they sticks. As you move your charts, they stick to level 10. Alright, that is a good trade. Look at this one here. Even though the spike came, but it didn't. It was the two lines we are moving. As you shift your charts, it moves. So the truth is that you can actually buy once they touch. Okay, You can buy once they touch, but you need to kind of wait for some time for the spike to come. When they touch, the spike will definitely come, but it might take time. That's why you have to wait for a perfect entry. If you have a very small account, okay, if you have a very small account, you need to wait for both of them to stick to level 10 before you enter. But if you have an account that can withstand those pullbacks, which is those bearish movements, then you can trade all of them. As you see both of them touch level 10, you place your buy and you wait for the spike to come. But to be more accurate, you just need to leave the two to stick to that level 10 before you buy. Okay, this is how simple this thing is. Let me see what is happening. Okay, we have our line coming down. Okay, sorry, yeah, we have our line coming down. So we want to wait and see if a spike did not come. We want to wait for this line to touch here. Okay, once the line touch there, we will check and enter our trade so that we see how long it will take for a spike to come, so that you guys will see how perfect this strategy is. It's not about just seeing something touching over bought over sold and you enter a sell or a buy. You need to confirm certain things, whether the line is moving with the chart or the line sticks to that level, okay, as you move the chart. So I don't need to backtest much because this thing is working, whether it shifts with the line or not. But I said when it sticks, it's more accurate. Okay, when it sticks with the line, it's more accurate. But whether it sticks or not, the spike will still come, but it might take time. All right, so nobody wants to lose money. So if you don't want to lose money, wait for it to stick. Okay, wait for it to stick before you place your buy. Right. So let's keep back testing. We have it here. When you look at this place, it sticks. As we move our chart, you see the black and the black line and the brown line stick to that level. Okay, so you see them stick. So anyone you see that sticks, that's the short trade for you. Look at it here. Is here. So as you shift your chart, it sticks, right? So that is the opportunity you are looking for, especially when you have a small account that you are growing. Please manage your small account very well. That is one of the hardest account to manage. When you have small equity, like you have $10, you have $20, you have $50, you have to be very, very careful. You have to wait for accurate signals. You don't just take random signals. They drop signals in any group you belong to, any forex trading group you are. They drop signals, you rush and trade. No, it doesn't work that way. You will definitely blow your account. So if you have a very small account, you don't take all the signals. You need to scrutinize. You need to know how accurate that signal is before you trade. Because you have a very small account, you might not withstand pullbacks. That's why you must wait for an accurate signals. Okay, so for me, I even think when you have a very small account, you just need to learn some certain things. You don't just enter the trade and you think you will grow your small account to kind of bigger equity. It's not possible. You need to learn. That's why I always tell my traders that one of the best thing they have chosen, one of the best parts, their success here in forex trading is that this path they have taken by learning. Okay, because if you don't learn, sometimes I do tell people, now if you check some of us, depending on the country you are watching this video from, it's whether you be in any institution or any profession you want to take in life, you spend years in school, 4 years, 5 years to 10 years studying a particular course. Okay, you study a particular course, you come out, you practice. Sometimes some part of the country you might not even be able to get a job after studying for 5, 6, 7, 8 years. Okay, but now you have here in the financial market where you trade online, where you make money online. Nobody wants to give it time. Nobody wants to give learning time. They just want to start trading. Just 1 month they are there. They create a real account, fund their money, and you think you are going to raise that money, right? I don't know how you think the magic will happen. You will definitely blow it because you don't know what you are doing. Forex trading is not gambling, is not luck, it's skill. So if you did not take time to learn this skill, it will be very difficult for you. So as we wait for this line to touch our level 10 at the black line, okay, as we wait, let me show you that this strategy also work on crash. After crash, then we can I will show you the setups. Okay, I will show you the setups after showing you that it works. Let's say crash 1000. Okay, now here is crash 1000. As you can see, we are seeing it forming here, so we have to even trade both crash 1000 and boom 1000. We pay attention to this and trade them. So as we continue the video, I'm expecting this, once this line here get to this point, then we check to confirm our entry and we enter to catch that spike here on the drop here on crash 1000. So let's just back test and see. Look at what happened here. Hope you are following. We have the two lines touch here and it sticks, okay, and see the spike. So you must see where they are touching level 90 here on spike, on crash 1500, and you must see them stick to that level 90, right? So look at it here, it sticks and we have that spike before the pullback and we continue the spike. So you must see them stick, okay? Look at this one. Have you seen when you scroll to this side, it sticks, right? But if you shift back, it's no longer there. So you need to discover that point. Look at it here, it sticks, but when you shift back, it's no longer there. Remember, the spike will still come, but you need accurate signals, because I know most of you have a very small account. All right, so you need more accurate. That's why I take my time to research on this, test them, and see that this thing is actually working for small account holders, because you don't need to, some of us or some people who have a very big equity, they don't waste time. They just learn the scale, put their trade, okay, because the money they have, their risk appetite, that's where they'll be setting their stop loss, will be able to hold the pullbacks. They will not be taken off the market. But when you have a small account, you might be able to risk $1, $2 or to $5, okay, and the pullbacks might be more than that, okay. So in the end, maybe at the end of the day, you keep closing your trade in loss, or your stop loss will be triggered. So that's not the plan. So you need to watch videos that give you accurate signals to save you from blowing your account. Then another important thing you need to know is that you need to have a trading plan. You need to have a trading plan. So I teach this trading plan on my VIP group. So if you don't know what is trading plan, or you don't know how to set your trading plan, you don't even know how you trade, your style of trading, please join the group. Chat me up on KingsFS Trader. Chat me up on Telegram at KingsFS Trader. I will also drop the link below so that you will chat me up. I will add you in the group. You learn how to set your trading plan. This trading plan will help you not to blow your account. No matter how small your account is, if you have a trading plan, you cannot blow the account. I assure you that once you have a perfect and working trading plan. So join the group. I will teach you. I don't need to speak much on this, but I have a VIP group where I teach those things. You have to set your Telegram, your trading plan, and you know your style. So this thing will help you not to blow your small account. I also always get annoyed when I see people, asking me to help them raise their account. They have blown their account 5 times, 6 times, and I feel like, what is happening? Why do people, people don't like learning. They just want to make money. It's not possible. You need to learn before you make the money. Okay, you have to go for the knowledge first. So let me show you the setups. I don't like making my videos very long. That's why I'm talking very fast, in order to make sure that the video is not long. I add both advice, a forex trading guide and strategy in one video, okay, just to kind of give away to you guys, right? Because I'm very, very happy I was able to hit 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, it's not easy. You guys are amazing. Okay, now look at the setups here. First of all, we have our relative strength index. We have period 14 applied to close style, 2 pixels. Okay, you don't need anything because we are going to be you have to change the color to your background color, so it's not useful. So we have our level as 10 and 90, then change it to 4 pixels, then add any color of your choice, and you click on done, and that is this golden line here. Okay, these two lines, level 10 and 90, that is your relative strength index line levels. Then we go again to the second indicator is our relative vigor index. We have period 10, we have RVI style, just put any color of your choice. Then the signal line style should be, you just change it to white if you are using a white background. If you are using a dark background, you change it to black, then click on done. Then the last but not the least is our moving average one. I use this indicator so much. So shift 0 method, simple, apply to close, style 2 pixels, color is black, or you change to any color of your choice and you click on done. Okay, so that is the setups. If you set this thing up, that is how it works. Okay, so I'm trying to, in the process, I want us to trade this thing. Like, let me check. Boom, 1000. Know whether it's have. Whoosh, the spike came. Okay, you see what I'm telling you. You see the line touched. Okay, see the line touched, but the line did not stick to that level, right? But the spike still, the spike came. So, but for me, I said for you to be more accurate, you need to see a situation whereby both line sticks. For people who have a very small account, you need to see where that line sticks before. Okay, let me check. Boom, 500. All right, the line is still coming down. It's still coming down, and as you can see, for you to confirm that this spike will come, as I move my chart, pay attention, pay close attention to this. Let me show you. Just pay close attention there. As I move my chart, have you seen that the two lines sticks, they don't move? Okay, but we have to wait for the line to touch level 10. Once it touches level 10, we place our buy and the spike must come. When I say must, anyway, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not a market maker, anything like that, but I've studied this trade. This is for educational purposes. Okay, I want you to get these skills. I want you to get this information. There are a lot of money. I find there is a lot of money in this field, so you don't need to miss out. So for my subscribers, okay, once you're my subscriber, you have these things to gain. Each time I'll always drop videos that changes life. If you come to my Telegram, you see testimonies of people who always testify about how this strategy has been helping them. All right, so as we wait, let me still check crash 1000 to see if it's still not there yet. So you have to wait a bit to confirm this. Okay, just that I don't like making my video. We had another spike. You see the spike? It did not touch, but it was sticky. No, I thought this thing will get to that point. Have you seen what I just said? I told you once it sticks, I showed you that the line sticks, which is showing you that a spike is definitely going to come here. So I don't need to continue this video. Okay, this have confirmed everything. Once you see those line sticks, you move your chart and it's there, it's not moving, then that is a sign that the spike must come. Then you now wait for the black to touch level 10, but in this case it was not able to touch before the spike came. Okay, but just know that once you see those line sticks, is a signal that a spike will come at that point, right? So if you like, you can enter that time, or you wait for the line to touch level 10 for a confirmation, a kind of, to be more accurate, right? So let me check crash again. Okay, now the line is there, but have you seen what is happening? Some people will go and place a sell. Okay, you see the line is there, but the line did not stick. So you must wait for a situation where the line sticks. As you move your chart, the two lines sticks to that level. Okay, so that's why when you enter a sell, you will keep waiting, like 5-10 candlesticks will come before the spike. Okay, this is exactly how to trade this strategy. So right now we don't have a trade to place here. So let me check other let me check crash 500, no trade. Boom, 1000. no trade. 500. Okay, boom 500. Let me check boom 1000. No trade. Okay, no trade, no trade. So I have to end this video. Okay, so don't make this mistake. If you have a very small account to place a trade like this, you have to wait to see them stick before you place your trade. Okay, but if you have a kind of, but why should you even lose money, okay, in terms of this, when you have seen where you be the a kind of more accurate signal. But remember, this strategy, when I promise you, it might not work 100% of the time. So but the important thing is that if you trade 8 times a day or 10 times a day, at least you should take profit 7 or 8 times, and maybe you lose twice or once, or you trigger your stop loss once or twice. You are in massive profit, man. So if it not work for when you try it and it not work, then try it again before you start complaining. Okay, you must know that trading is something, is a kind of, more you trade, more you get to understand what trade is all about. It's not a place where you gamble, or you just place a trade and you say, I'm lucky, the spike came, I'm lucky. No, you are not lucky. It's just it's just normal thing. So when you will lose the money, you will lose everything. As in which it takes you 2, 3, 4, 5 days to build, you will lose it in one day if you don't have that skill, if you don't have that knowledge. That's why I always beg you, go and learn. You must not come to me to learn forex trading. No, check any platform, check anybody who teach forex trading well, learn from the person, and you will see the improvement. But if you keep gambling or playing game or thinking it's luck, you will keep losing money and keep blowing your account. I promise you that. So remember, I have a Telegram group. If you want to join, it's free. I have a VIP group, which is a paid group, where I teach forex trading. I drop my personal trading plans, strategies, and everything. If you want to join also, I will drop the link below, where you will chat me up at KingSFS Trader. Then we talk. Then if you are my new subscriber, I welcome you to this family. Okay, welcome to this family. I want you guys to enjoy forex trading. I will also teach something very important in my VIP group. I teach people how to trade forex with confidence. Most time when we are trading, we trade with emotion, we are afraid. But I will teach you how to trade forex with confidence. Okay, so join the group. I will see you when I see you in my next video, guys. Bye, and take care of yourself.